dear students. Today we are going to study about the hydrogen bonding. So it is one another important topic we are taking today. We have studied the bonding, electrovalent bonding and covalent bonding. Along with this, we have also studied the dipole interaction. Today we are taking one important property of the hydrogen atom, because this bonding is all shown by only the hydrogen. The compounds which are joined with the hydrogen, they show this type of property. So when hydrogen is joined with some electronegative atom, and basically only the three electronegative atom like nitrogen, oxygen and phosphorus, because of due to very small size, they have very high electronegativity power. So when hydrogen is joined with this, so when hydrogen is joined with the fluorine, it forms hydrofluoric acid, and when it joined with the oxygen, it forms the water. When it joined with the nitrogen, it forms the ammonia. So basically, when hydrogen is joined with this electronegative atom, what will happen? There is a covalent bonding. So one electron is shared by both the atom of hydrogen and a fluorine, and as a result, HF molecule is formed. But electronegativity power of the fluorine is very high in comparison to the hydrogen. So what will happen? The shared pair of electron between H and F is slightly shift towards the fluorine, and when it shifts slightly towards the fluorine, you know all, a negative charge appeared on the fluorine atom, and as हाइड्रोजन से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव कर गया है इसका towards slightly, not completely shift, it's a slightly, that's why we have marked partial positive sign. So partial positive sign appear on the hydrogen and partial negative sign appear on the fluorine, and this happens in all the molecules. So what happened here? Partial positive charge develop on the hydrogen and partial negative charge develop on the fluorine, and so one molecule of hydrogen partially positive is attracted towards the partially negative fluorine atom of the another, and so some association type attractive forces develop between the two molecules, and this association or attractive forces is termed as hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding is the bonding, or we can say attractive forces that develop between the hydrogen atom and the more electronegative atom. The condition is that when hydrogen is already attached to electronegative atom. Okay. So this is hydrogen bonding is it's a extra bonding between when the bond compound is attached with the covalently or the electrovalently. So it is attractive forces. So now these attractive forces of the hydrogen bonding can be formed between the two same molecules, as we have shown here, HF, between HF molecules, or it may also develop between the different molecules, as we can see when when water is dissolved in the ethanol. So what will happen here? You see ethanol. Ethanol is an organic compound, and we know that organic compound doesn't dissolve in water. Like benzene, if you say benzene, chloroform, phenol, these ethers, they don't dissolve in the water. So one more important question comes कि why the ethanol dissolve in the water? सब पीते हैं mix करके, तो क्यों होता है? Because ethanol has hydrogen again, so and it is attached with oxygen, more electronegative atom. So as a result, partial positive charge and a partial negative charge develop due to this strong electronegativity power of the oxygen. It will shift electron pair towards itself. Now when these charges get developed on these OH group, so when ethanol is dissolved mixed with the water already has developed this type of bonding between them, because HOH is already present here. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे another molecule बनाती हूँ, तो already यहाँ पर एक attractive forces water का है. So this type of association of the hydrogen bonding is also developed between the ethanol molecule and a water molecule. So that is the reason why water gets mixed, or the ethanol being an organic compound mixed with the water due to the formation of the hydrogen bonding. Now this bonding is shown by cutted lines. normal bonding like covalent and electrovalent is directly shown by this, but hydrogen bonding is shown by discontinuous line. इसको हम discontinuous line से हम show करते हैं. Now comes to the types. So there is a two type of hydrogen bonding. It's intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. When this hydrogen bonding is present, occur between the two same molecules. Means as we have seen, it occur between the ethanol itself, it occur between the water molecule, it occur between the HF molecules. So this type between the two same molecules, if it occur, we can say it is the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And so if it occur in between the different molecules, it is called intermolecule, between different molecule and between same molecules. So intra means same molecule, and if it become occur between the two different molecules, it is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Inter means between the two, and intra means within the same molecules. सेम मॉलिक्यूल्स के अंदर होगा तो इंट्रा मॉलिक्यूल होगा, एज वाटर के अंदर है, HF के अंदर है. नाउ कम्स टू द इफेक्ट्स ऑन प्रॉपर्टीज. तो किस तरह से हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट वैल्यू इफ इट ऑलरेडी अकर, इसको हम आइडेंटिफिकेशन में भी यूज करते हैं. So what are the effect? Basically it doesn't affect on the chemical properties, you know, not on a very significant effect on the chemical property, but it affect on physical property very significantly. The first one is effect on the physical state. मॉलिक्यूल्स की जो फिजिकल स्टेट है वो चेंज हो जाती है अगर उसके अंदर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग लग जाती है. पीसी एक क्वेश्चन आता है, व्हाई HCl इज अ गैस एंड H2O इज अ वाटर. ये गैसेस फॉर्म में क्यों है और ये लिक्विड फॉर्म में क्यों है? सो वन ऑफ द मोर गुड आंसर ऑफ दिस, ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, not such type of bonding is present in the HCl, so it occurs in the gaseous form, and water में हमारी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग लग जाती है, so it is in a liquid form. Another is so physical state get changed from gas to liquid because molecules come closer. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग में अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स है, वो आ जाते हैं पास में. जब पास में आते हैं ऑब्वियस है फिजिकल स्टेट में चेंज आएगा. सेकेंड वन, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इन मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड का सिग्निफिकेंटली इफेक्ट करना. ऑलरेडी जब आपकी स्टेट चेंज हो गई है, मॉलिक्यूल्स पास आ गए हैं, तो उनके बीच में एक बॉन्ड डेवलप होगी जिसको ब्रेक करने के लिए बहुत हाई एनर्जी की जरूरत होगी. एंड दैट्स व्हाई द कंपाउंड इन विच हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज प्रेजेंट, दे हैव हाई बॉइलिंग पॉइंट एंड मेल्टिंग पॉइंट देन द रेस्ट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स कंपाउंड्स. थर्ड इज दैट हाई solubility. If the molecule, as we have seen already, organic compound get dissolved in the water, aqueous compound. So hydrogen bonding make compound more soluble. Due to this hydrogen bonding, the solubility of the compound changes and from less to high, as we have already seen. compound बहुत soluble बन जाता है ionic compound सॉल्वेंट में. हमने हाई बॉइलिंग पॉइंट एंड मेल्टिंग पॉइंट की बात की, तो ये जो केस है ये डिफर कर जाते हैं. आई एम टेकिंग द केस ऑफ वन कंपाउंड ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनॉल एंड दिस वन द पैरा नाइट्रोफिनॉल. इफ यू सी ऑर्थो नाइट्रो मीन्स OH ग्रुप भी है फिनॉल का और उसमें नाइट्रो ग्रुप है ऑर्थो पोजिशन में, मीन्स सेम पोजिशन में. तो व्हेन OH ऑर्थो का फिनॉल का OH ग्रुप इज ज्वाइंट very nearer to the nitro group, so what will happen again? Here is a significant hydrogen bonding occurred. Partial positive charge develop into the hydrogen and negative charge appeared on the oxygen. Here on the ortho position, nitro group is present very nearer to him, so it develop a hydrogen bonding develop between the hydrogen atom of OH group and oxygen atom of the nitro group. And this is the example of, we can say, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And due to this, ये अपने आप में मॉलिक्यूल बन गया, इंट्रामोलिकुलर बन गया है. इस कंपाउंड का जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है वो रेस्ट इस कंपाउंड से, पैरा जो इसी का एक अनदर फॉर्म है, उसके रिगार्ड में मेल्टिंग पॉइंट घट जाता है. तो इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग के केस कंपाउंड्स में जहाँ पे डेवलप हो रही है, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डाउन हो जाती हैं, क्योंकि इस तरह की बॉन्डिंग इनके अंदर डेवलप होगी, किसी के दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल में भी यही डेवलप हो जाएगी, तो ये इन दोनों के बीच में क्या होगा, सेपरेशन हो जाएगा, नो सच एसोसिएशन बिटवीन टू मॉलिक्यूल्स। यहाँ पे एक ही ग्रुप के दो मॉलिक्यूल्स में लग गए, ये बड़ा कंपाउंड था, इसी के अंदर दो रेडिकल्स ग्रुप जो थे उनमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग डेवलप हुई है, इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। सो इनका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट रिड्यूस हो जाता है। एंड इफ हम यहाँ पर देखें तो यहाँ पर पैरा पोजीशन पे है नाइट्रो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फिनोलिक ग्रुप। सो व्हाट विल हैपन हियर, हियर the association between them, hydrogen bonding cannot be occur between H and O2 group of nitro due to the far distance, but hydrogen bonding will develop into the another molecules. If I make here this type of hydrogen bonding here, or I am making OH group here, so now significantly a hydrogen bond developed between them, and this type of bonding is now termed as intermolecular between two molecules. As a result, boiling point of this compound get increased from the normal value from this. So this is how the hydrogen bonding affect the properties of compound. Thank you very much.